In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase Wallet to another wallet. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app and signing into your wallet. Next, tap Send on the home screen. After that, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Now enter the recipient's wallet address or tap the scan icon to scan their QR code. Next, enter the amount of crypto you want to send. After that, review the transaction details carefully. Make sure the wallet address, network, and amount are all correct, and confirm that you have enough of the network's native token to pay the transaction fee. Now tap Preview, then tap Send to approve the transaction. Next, wait for the blockchain to process and confirm your transfer. You can monitor the transaction status in your wallet's activity or transaction history. Finally, once the transaction is confirmed, the cryptocurrency will appear in the recipient's wallet according to the blockchain's confirmation time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer crypto from Coinbase Wallet to another wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.